guys, welcome to my mermaid tutorial. Today we're going to learn the top leg mermaid split. It's a great basic move that is pretty by itself, but also really useful for more intermediate level moves later on. First, decide which leg you want forwards in your split. I want my right leg, so I'm going to use my right hand, but if you want your left leg, use your left hand. I'm going to place my hand on the top of the hoop as high as possible, with the back of my hand facing towards me and the palm facing away from me. Next, I'm going to slide my hips back and down out of the hoop as the bottom of the hoop comes to rest on the back of my thighs just above my knees. Next, I'm going to let go of the hoop with my left hand as I lift up my right leg and take my foot with my hand. At the same time, I am rolling over my thigh that is still on the hoop. So I'm doing a full half turn, 180 degrees, and my goal is to get my hips and my shoulders to face to the ground. I'm doing a right split, but if you're doing a left split, just reverse that. So you let go with your right hand and take your left foot in your hand. I'm going to come out of it by releasing my front foot, bringing my foot to my knee, and then putting my leg back through the hoop the same way that it came as I flip back around to sit. As you feel more comfortable, you can play with bringing your hand farther down the outside of the hoop. This will bring your body further away from the hoop and gives you some more options to play with in this position. Remember, as you arch up, to leave your head to last because that's always going to make you look nice and finished. Here's the whole thing with a spin. Pro tip, even if your splits aren't perfect, you can make this split look really good by opening up your front leg a little bit to the side. You don't need to be in a completely square split here. Thanks for watching, and please subscribe because my next tutorial will be a nice little move that goes well after this mermaid split, and I'll be showing you how to get into it from the split that we just learned.